Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I wanted to show you this big picture plan I posted for TWTR on April the 4th. Okay, now this was being slow, but this was the big picture plan that I posted for Twitter, and today we made a great move. Of course, a lot of people claim to say a lot of things, but see, they have no plans, no vision, no proof like yours truly. So I wanted to show this because there's a lot of, I call them stock clowns out there. They lie to people all the time. They say things and change their minds 100 times. Power trigger trade, I've been bullish the market since April the 4th on my April the 4th live stream. So let's get the truth out there. So let's take a look at what I said here. Let's click into here. Let's click on what it says here. I'm gonna let me get this to open. Oh damn. Oh, there it is. Okay, now Twitter is set up to test 40 to 45 in the big picture of things. In the short term, a test of 33 to 34 is possible quickly. The May 18 30 calls are great to use. Now you can see here that the 30 calls they cost $200 a piece. Twitter just needs to break over 2880 to confirm for us to just enter. Okay, so this was again a longer term plan. Well, a short term, longer term plan. I've been talking bullish about Twitter long term, but this was a plan that I posted inside of Power Group Trades. All right, people, so here it is. Twitter confirming with the May 18 30 calls at 2:25 today. Again, people, I'm the big picture expert. All these people, they're lying to people out there. They're telling people, I said this, I said that. Listen, they hedge, they do this. They change their mind on the daily. Power trigger trade has been doing one thing, long-term, big picture skills. This is, again, a proof of what I'm doing. Let's take a look at where Twitter closed today. Okay, let's get to the truth here, people. All right, people, so here we are on the Yahoo Finance, and Twitter closed at 31.84, okay, up 11%. We made a good move, but listen, people. In my April 4th live stream, I talked about the SPY hitting 270, that it was giving the signal. But, the market was still in transitional phase. Anyways, people, let's get to the point here. So let's take a look at the 30 calls, right? They're up nicely still. Look at that, 93%, right? From yesterday, because on the move, right? They're up, no big deal. They're up about 50%, okay? But what I'm getting at is that there's a lot of people who claim a lot of things. They didn't catch the gains in Twitter because they don't have big picture skills. They're changing their minds on the daily. Anybody wants me to point people out? Power trigger trade, I do so, right? I embarrass people. So, warning people out there. There's a lot of clowns, stock clowns out there. Lots of them. Do not believe them. Power trigger trade shows you the facts. Shows you detailed plans from start to end. Twitter isn't over, but it's made a move towards the target. It's not a big deal. It gets 100% gains. That's about all I was looking for on the short term. It could do better. But just to give you an example, we are in the green on the Twitter plan, people. Welcome to Power Trigger Trade, people. Confirmation is key. Listen, if you want to become a group member inside of Power Group Trades, where I make detailed plans, I've been posting a lot of great things. Let's take a look at this. I talked about the SPY, right, on April the 16th. Sorry, where is it? Sorry, let me move down here. Here, April the 14th, the big picture. Listen, you want to study this video. You will not see technical analysis and explanations like this from anyone. Okay, I'm the big picture expert. Everybody else is just a clown compared to Power Trigger Trade. Just clowns out there. Lots of clowns. Lots of big mouths that don't know what they're talking about, right? They can't do what I did. They didn't do with the Apple plan. Look what I said about NVIDIA. Look what I said about, go check out my Netflix plan right over here that I posted April 16. I talk about the big picture. I talk about Netflix was really bullish, right? Talk about the facts. There's people shorting it. They have no skills. Just clowns, people. Study this. Trust me on what I'm telling you, people. What I'm doing, nobody's done in history. Will never do in history like this. It's too time consuming what I'm doing. Trying to show people with just a lot of people just small minds, very small minds compared to yours truly, Power Trick Trade. Very small minds out there. Very small minds. People, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great plans. Listen, you want to subscribe to this channel, but one of the things you want to do, you want to study my created playlist, what I call big picture plans, okay? Just like I showed you the Apple and the Twitter, I show you stuff while there's fear in the market. It doesn't matter what market conditions there are. Power Trick Trade delivers plans. There's market conditions where things work out better and smoother and faster, and times when things will be smaller, and times we shouldn't be in the market, okay? But the fact of the matter is that these big picture plans are documented and proven over and over again. From before the fact, as it confirms, and after the fact, just like you're seeing Twitter. People say a lot of things, boom, boom. I made a live stream on April the 4th, okay, people? You can hear me talking about the SPY going to 270 that it gave the signal. Of course, there was, a lot of market conditions that made it difficult. But the market is proven, I've proven that my signals technology is one of the best out there. Because I could see things before. Other people say, oh, when the SPY does this and when the SPY does that. And I said it way before those people. They have no skill compared to me. They are little pop traders. Little skill. Just big mouth. Running on the mouth. Right now. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Come subscribe manually. If you have one already inside, I'm going to show you easy way to subscribe. You'll see a picture of me. You're going to see it in a circle format. Let's see what I say. Power Trick Trade Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video!